Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you about a small and cute bird. Her name is Sweetie. It was very small, so when I saw it, it had fallen down from its nest above, and I got two, but one died at the same time. So I picked up and I brought it, and it was very small, and its eyes were not even open, did not even have wings. It was very small, and now it has become very weak, and I think in a day or two, yeah, maybe in this week, she will definitely know how to fly with her wings. So maybe she will go along with her mother, because and her parents also come from time to time and feed her, and it has become very active now. And now she know how to protect herself, and she has learned the defense herself from others. And see, when I touch it, it immediately rise its wings to protect itself. She is very active and as well as smart also. Istana ra isang ura. And I like her very much, but I cannot keep her with me because she also has a right to live her life with freedom and to live with her parents. So that's why I do not keep her tied, and I keep her completely open area. And her parents also live in their own house nearby. And now her mother bird has come. She is sitting on the top of the tree and seeing that we are here. That's why she is not able to come here. So I'll go inside the house, and from a distance I'll make a video and show it to you. So एक मिनट वेट करना, मैं अभी अंदर जा रही हूँ, उसकी मम्मी आ गई है. So guys, look, her mother has just come and it's sitting comfortably next to her daughter and protect her and also feed her, and it's very sweet. It's a really lovely moments in my life, so I just want to share, so that's why I just make this video. So guys, you also tell me whether we have done a good job or not. Please comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video.